these other ones, guys, you got to be careful of these red ants here. They will mess you up. They're using this, probably can't see them all up there with my camera, but they're using this electrical line. It's some sort of little ant highway. Look at the size of them things. They might not look big on here, but they're pretty big. However, you can eat these, actually. They make dishes out of these ants. Sometimes they use them in sauces and paste. And you don't have to worry about them hurting you when that happens, only if they bite. Alright guys, it's Tuesday night now. Just about to go out and get some dinner. This traffic is crazy in this intersection right here. Look at that. Look at that. They keep coming from all different directions. This is why trying to cross is so much fun. It's like you know you're going to make it, but you could be in for a surprise. Like when you're playing a video game and the power all of a sudden shuts off and you lose your save point. Except in this case, you just don't come back. You don't get a chance to come back. I think I negotiated that like an expert. Oops, did she make it? Oh, yep, okay. Just make. I was just making sure you made it. Huh? She keeps making motions like she wants to drive a motorcycle. This is the same woman that the other day ran into a pole completely sober while she was walking. Nah, motorcycle, anything with wheels is not a good idea. And I don't think I'm quite ready for a motorcycle here yet. There's an ankle breaker. Even on the sidewalks, you got to watch your step. Figure I'd go down here and get something to eat. Check out the sights. It's let me see what time it is here. It's a little bit after 5 o'clock. Yeah. And the temperature is still about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It's coming up on the hot season here. That means it's going to stay warmer for longer. It's not dead. Oh, it's not dead. I think it's hurt. It's not moving. Oh man. Nope. Oh, it's almost dead. Yeah, that thing is. Oh man. That was weird. I saw its eyes open, blinking. But it was just kind of laying there. Doesn't look like it was hit, but yeah. Poor thing. But I still want noodles. She was just telling me they eat those in Thailand. And I believe here also you can get rat. It's localized, I believe. It's not everywhere. I've never seen it on a menu. There are areas like she said in Thailand where a lot of people do eat rat. They're not city rats that eat garbage. They get them from the rice fields. It's organic rat. They eat all the good stuff in the rice fields. They get nice and fat. Then they have these little traps they catch them in. And they have them for lunch or dinner. From the videos I've seen on YouTube, they're tasty. I'll take their word for it.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.
I really thought I would get out of the heavy traffic by coming here a little earlier, but once again, you live and you learn. Here we are. We got to cross one more street to get to our destination, which is a food cart alley down there, which is only what I call it. Its real name I do not know. Well, right over there is the temple and the temple grounds. If you wanted to get away from the chaos for a little while, you can go in there. It's very peaceful. I've been in there before. You can look for my video. It's on this channel. And I do the little walk around and show you all the sights inside. There is one in the inner temple, the big temple, that you do have to pay to go see. The rest is free. You can just walk around. Some areas you do have to take your shoes or flip-flops off. I did not go into the area where you had to pay. But I did go see all the rest. Very interesting. And I like how they have things that are written both in Khmer and English, so you can read about the history of what all the statues and everything represents. So that's pretty cool. All right, we're down here. Gonna find a stall, have a sit, and eat something yummy. Talk to you later. Okay, we got a couple of these. I'm not sure what they are. The brown things. And this huge thing of bananas down here at the night market. This thing is huge. It must weigh, I don't know, I'm guessing 3 or 4 pounds worth of bananas. And we got all that for approximately 85 cents. Oh, I couldn't believe that. That was amazing. I don't know what the brown things are though. They look kind of, they look brown on the inside too. I don't know. She wanted them. Yeah. Threw a couple in the bag for the same price. Who am I to argue? Just finished eating at that Thai noodle stall that I went on and on about the other day. This is the last thing I'll say about it. And I told the people that run it, they could take that broth and put anything in it. It wouldn't matter what they put in it, and people would eat it. No questions asked. It is that good. Actually, I'm on the lookout for another fan. I got the one in my room, which is on the wall, and it oscillates and everything. It's nice and cool when you're in front of it, but not so much when you're away from it. And so I'm looking for one to put over by my computer desk. Well, actually, it's just a desk that I have my computer on. It's not actually a computer desk. So that when I'm editing or working online, I don't sit there and just sweat all over my desk. So I'm looking for a fan for a good price. You gotta remember, right now, like back in the States, it's so cold, you could probably find fans pretty cheap. Here, they're kind of like a necessity. They're a commodity, so you might be hard pressed. Oh, no thank you. Might be hard pressed to find one affordably. Never let it be said that they don't know the value of supply and demand here. Of course, I use anything for an excuse to go through the market. And look at all the neat stuff. And I believe I'm in the wrong section for a fan. I'll have to look elsewhere. I'll keep you updated. Right, well, I didn't get a fan tonight. The places that sold the fans, they were closed or closing, so go back tomorrow. But we did get all this. That's a nice grilled chicken from next door. Some veggies, sauce for just $1. That's right, just $1. And of course I got me, my favorite, my absolute favorite in the whole world. And watch me drop it on the floor because I'm dealing with one hand. But there it is. New pow. Steam bun. Nice, fresh, hot, and ready to go in my stomach as soon as I get done filming this, because I'm not good with one hand. So I got all that. Got me a Sprite drink. And as I mentioned earlier, look at all these bananas. And 2 of these things were just 85 cents. Something I found out about my new power here is that I always assumed it was just it was always $1, but it's not. From the change I got back tonight, these are only about 62 cents actually each. And if I would have known that, I would have been eating more of them, I guess. Oh, anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. It is now Wednesday morning, a little after 10 o'clock. And as you can tell, it rained pretty good last night and this morning. Everything's all wet. It did cool things down though, but when that sun comes out, the humidity is going to be intense, which is why I decided to go now. And go get something to eat before it gets that way. Still might go look for a fan today. Like I said, it's getting to be the hot season. Later in the week, temperatures are going to get up to 94 or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, another fan would be in order. And it's worth the money for a fan because the electric, as I said, is I said before, very expensive over here. And the biggest contributor to that is people who use their air conditioner a lot. You run your air con all the time, and your electric bill is going to be kind of high. Luckily my place isn't that huge, so I think if I ran it on the worst days, if I ran it for just a couple 3 hours a day, it would probably keep it cool for the night while I sleep. And during the day it doesn't really matter. You can go to a lot of different places. Like I said, you can go to a pool, spend the day at a nice cool pool for $3, or you can just go hang around Licky Mall all day, which is very nice and air conditioned. But I got a late start because I was waiting for the rain to end. I do have a some rain gear I brought with me back from the United States. And I was going to get a workout. Then again, Seng didn't have anything. No umbrella, no rain gear, so yeah. When I saw it was going to stop raining, I just said, we'll just wait. But as a result, my place over there on Street 24 is already closed, I'm assuming, so we're heading down here to get some breakfast. It'll still be yummy and cheap. So I'll end this here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, he's getting bored. He's so bored he comes up here to see me now. Ain't that right, buddy? Ain't that right, buddy? You can go in. You can go in. I don't have any food in there or anything, but you can go in. He's not sure about that. No, he's not gonna go in there. He's just not sure. That's all right. He's a good boy, huh? Yes, he's a good boy. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera, buddy. Oh, you're camera shy too? You trying to pretend like you're camera shy? That's our house dog. He got bored, decided to come upstairs. Get some pets. Yeah, he won't go in my apartment though. I bet you if I had some sausages or something, he'd be in there. Later.